Channel 2 News continues with Chief Meteorologist Mike Alger's Pinpoint 2 forecast, broadcast certified by the American Meteorological Society.
Well, we're just starting to see a few of the clouds begin to drift in here from a little different direction than some of these other systems. It's not the kind of real strong winter storm system that we really need here as we take a look at what's come up here. High clouds kind of drifting up here from the south. They're way out ahead of a frontal band that's not all that cold, although snow levels will probably drop down by tomorrow to about 6,500 feet or just above Lake Tahoe level. But it just isn't going to be one of those really strong, wet, cold winter storm systems that we need to add to what is already a pretty miserable snowpack up there. 42 degrees outside now, 59% relative humidity. The dew point right now is at 29 degrees. Barometric pressure's actually falling slowly, and we hardly have any wind. A south-southwest breeze at 3 miles per hour. High temperature today was 62, the low of 28. 5 degrees shy of the record on the high. Definitely warm. Now tomorrow we're going to be much, much cooler, fairly close actually to the average, and we're not going to be near as cold tonight because of the cloud cover that's coming in. Burn coat is green with moderate air quality out there. Now this is a nor'easter. It's a pretty classic storm system here, and you can see everything circulating around. Now we showed you the difference here. New York City is right here. If you just go a little bit to the east, and that includes that Boston area, much, much darker reflectivity there. And as I mentioned, at New York itself, it's not all that bad outside, although they are getting some snow. The live picture here, a little better resolution than the one we showed you here a minute ago. In Times Square, there are kind of some people out milling about, but what you don't see, that you would normally see at this time, are just lines and lines of taxi cabs out there. They have forbid any kind of travel on the roads around there, and it's especially needed, I think, like I say, just to the east of there. Once you get out on Long Island, it's a pretty scary proposition. Now, for us over here on our side of the country, and we'll just kind of spin it around, we're seeing this one system here coming up here from the south. It's not greatly organized. It does have some moisture to it, and in all likelihood, some places up here, by the time the morning comes around here, are going to get a little bit of precipitation. You can see the band right now, the latest computer models, bringing a band across us, may stick around for an hour or two, might give us measurable precipitation. I give us about even chances of that. By the afternoon, apart from some showers left over in the southern Sierra there, things are going to start to clear out. And then as we go on into Wednesday afternoon, again, maybe an isolated shower in the mountains to the south. But other than that, it's just some cloud cover for us. So it's not a big deal, unfortunately. I kind of wish it was. 40s, 50s in most of the locations. In the southern part of the state, Mammoth a little cooler at 39. Northern part of the state, we'll see 50s all across the north until you get over to the eastern side with upper 40s in Elko and Eureka. 50 for our high tomorrow, so 12 degrees cooler than today, but only 40 for the low. 49 Carson City. Temperatures up at the lake are going to be significantly cooler as well. They'll be down 15 to 20 degrees from today. High temperatures across your neighborhoods tomorrow, upper 40s to near 50, a little cooler up on the foothills. Overnight lows, everybody pretty mild in the upper 30s to lower 40s. So Tahoe, chance of rain or snow. Snow level could drop down to about 6,500 feet. West winds to 10 miles per hour. Maybe an inch or two of snow up there if we get really lucky, I think. 50 here in Reno with mostly cloudy skies. Scattered rain showers, a little west wind 10 to 15. And it just kind of clears out. We don't get all the clouds out. We'll still see those on Wednesday. Temperatures gradually warming up to the mid-50s by the end of the work week, and maybe the upper 50s by the end of the weekend, and we could see 60 coming back again. That is February, isn't it, now that you look at it here on Monday?
It's just bizarre.
It's one of those dry Januaries. We've had them before. It's just kind of bad timing for us.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Mike.